How to fix YouTube error 153 video player configuration error. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the YouTube error 153 problem. So if YouTube keeps showing this error when you try to play or upload videos, follow along step by step to get it fixed. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your browser on your computer. Now, click the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your screen. That's your browser menu. From there, go ahead and select Settings. Once you're in Settings, click on Privacy and Security on the left side. Then, choose Third-Party Cookies. And after that, click See All Site Data and Permissions. Now, in the search bar at the top, type YouTube. You'll see some saved data appear. Go ahead and clear YouTube's cache files. Also, if you were getting the same error on another website, clear that website's cache too. Next, let's check your extensions. Scroll down to the bottom left and click on Extensions. Here, turn off your browser extensions one by one. Sometimes one of them can interfere with YouTube and cause the error. Once you've done that, try reloading YouTube to see if the error 153 is gone. If it's still there, don't worry. Just try opening YouTube in a different browser. In most cases, that completely solves the issue, and that's it. By clearing your cache and checking your extensions, you should be able to fix the YouTube error 153 problem quickly and easily.